Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to enable the hidden options present in the Gallery app of Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Gallery application and just click on this three horizontal lines on the right bottom corner. Now you will see here settings, just click on it. Now just scroll down below. Now just click on this about Gallery. Now you can see here version number. Just keep tapping on this version number until you see Gallery Labs is enabled. So once you enable this option, just move back and just scroll down below. Now you will see here one new option is showing up, Gallery Labs. Just click on it. Now you can see here tons of options available inside it, so you can check out all the options available here that is present inside this Gallery Labs. So you can see here tons of options, and if you want to hide it again, just turn it off and move back. You can see here this option will get hidden again. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily enable the hidden options present in the Gallery app of Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.